Receiving the first dose of the Russian Sputnik V vaccine on Tuesday was Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony, his wife Dr. Shanti Singh, advisor to the Minister of Health Dr. Leslie Ramsamy, and Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Health Malcolm Watkins. 25,000 doses of the Sputnik V vaccine arrived at the Chetty Jagan International Airport on Friday and have been disseminated across the country to provide 25,000 Guyanese with their first vaccine doses against COVID-19. The recipients will be given the booster doses from another tranche of the vaccine that is expected later this month. The Sputnik V vaccine is said to be 92% effective against the coronavirus, provided that the doses are administered 21 days apart. Meanwhile, with 3 categories of persons concurrently approved to be vaccinated, namely frontline workers, senior citizens, and persons ages 40 and above, the ministry has established approximately 100 fixed and mobile vaccination sites across the country. In Tuesday's COVID-19 update, Dr. Anthony stressed heavily the need for more persons to utilize the opportunity to guard themselves from dying or being hospitalized if they become infected with the virus. He noted the exponential increase in hospitalization and deaths. In the last 6 days, 14 persons would have died due to complications with the disease. Persons who have been administered their first shots are being reminded to return for the booster doses.
Especially those persons who have received the Sinopharm vaccine. Their 28 days are up, or most of them would start getting close to that 28 days. So for the persons who have received Sinopharm vaccines, we want them to check their cards to see when their dates are going to be due, and for them to come back to get that second dose. And for those persons who have received the AstraZeneca vaccine, we are operating with that 8 weeks to 12 weeks window so as to boost the efficacy of the vaccine.
The government had initially ordered 200,000 doses of the Sputnik V vaccine. In excess of 40,000 persons have been inoculated to date. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.